Dear students, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about the Patterson solutions. Now, it is a software mechanism implemented at user mode. It is a busy waiting solution that can be implemented only for two processes. Now it is two variables. One is turn variable and the other one is and the another one is in interested variable. Now the code for Patterson solution is given below. First we have to define a constant n whose value is 2. Then we have taken a true variable whose value is 1, and we have taken a binary boolean variable false whose value is 0. Now we have taken a integer array that is used for processes, and we have taken a value false. Another integer variable is taken known as turn. Now we have defined a method named void entry section. Inside a process is taken, and if we get a other process, then other equal to 1 minus process. Now in the array we will get a true value because a process is assigned. Then inside the turn we will get another process, and the condition is given by while interested other is equal to true and turn is equal to process. Then close this function. Now the Patterson solution provides all the necessary requirements such as mutex, progress, bounded wait, and portability. Now how this is provided with the help of Patterson solution is given below. First of all, mutual exclusion. Now the better solution provide mutual exclusion for sure. In entry section, the while condition involves the criteria for two variables. Therefore, a process cannot enter in the critical section until the other process is interested and the process is the last one to update the turn variable. Now this is the condition for mutual exclusion. Now progress. Now if a process is uninterested, it will never stop the interested process to enter into critical section. So the process is progressing. Now the bounded wait. The interested variable mechanism failed because it was not providing bounded waiting. So in a better solution, a deadlock can never happen. Now the last one is portability. This is the complete software solution and therefore it is portable any hardware. Thank you very much.